Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
Start every session with diaphragmatic breathing for 5 minutes while lying down. Focus on even inhales and exhales and feel your abdomen rise and fall. Sit up and reset posture with a neutral neck and relaxed shoulders. Do 3 sets of 30-second lip trills, then hum through a comfortable range. Keep volume low and steady to avoid strain. Finish with gentle jaw and tongue releases to prepare your voice for technique work. Develop forward resonance by humming on an N or M until you feel vibration in your face. Move from nasal hums to open vowel sounds and keep the tone bright and forward. Spend 12 to 15 minutes doing gentle sirens from low to high within a comfortable range. Keep pressure light and never force the top notes. Finish with slow tongue twisters for 3 minutes to sharpen articulation and diction. Focus on clear consonants and steady breath support throughout each exercise. Increase practice time gradually by adding 5 minutes each week until you reach 40 minutes. Balance technique, resonance, and stamina exercises within your session to avoid fatigue. Drink at least 2 liters of water daily and avoid caffeine right before practice. Use humidified air when possible to protect the mucous membranes of your throat. Take 1 full silent day each week to allow vocal recovery and prevent overuse.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.